Before starting the quiz, examine all the options provided for each question. Pause the video during the timer and write your answer in a notebook. After writing your answer, resume the video to confirm your choice. This approach will enhance your understanding of the topic. We encourage you to share your learning experience in the comment section. Let's start learning. What is a common term for a project or job that a freelancer completes for a client? Project. On Fiverr, what do you call the document that outlines the scope, deliverables, and timeline of a project? Gig description. Freelancers often set their own dash on platforms like Fiverr to showcase their skills and expertise. Prices. What is the process of offering a lower price for a job or service on Fiverr to attract clients called? Undercutting. Freelancers should create a detailed dash on their Fiverr profile to attract potential clients. Portfolio? What is the term for the payment made to a freelancer for completing a project on Fiverr? Earnings. Which section of your Fiverr profile allows you to showcase your previous work and skills? Portfolio. Freelancers can offer additional services or add-ons to their main gig on Fiverr, increasing their dash. Income. What is the Fiverr feature that allows clients to contact freelancers before placing an order? Custom proposal. What should freelancers do to maintain a positive reputation on Fiverr and receive good reviews? Deliver high-quality work. What is the term for the fee that Fiverr charges freelancers for using their platform to find clients? Service fee. Freelancers can set their own dash on Fiverr, which represents the minimum amount they will accept for a project. Reserve price. Which Fiverr feature allows freelancers to send custom offers to potential clients based on their needs? Custom proposal. What is the term for the process of promoting your Fiverr gigs to attract more clients? Promotion. On Fiverr, what is the name for the client's request for a specific service that freelancers can send offers for? Gig request. Which type of gig on Fiverr involves offering ongoing services to clients on a regular basis? Subscription gig. What is the term for the act of canceling an order on Fiverr due to unforeseen circumstances or issues? Order cancellation. Freelancers should communicate with their clients regularly to ensure they are satisfied with the dash. Progress. What is the Fiverr program that allows freelancers to showcase their expertise and gain more visibility? Pro program. Freelancers on Fiverr can offer their services in various categories, such as writing, design, and dash. Programming. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and best of luck in your learning journey.